Hey, it's Molly from the Feedfeed, and I am joined by our editorial director, Jake Cohen. And today we're talking about something so exciting.
We're getting sticky.
We're getting sticky. We're measuring molasses, and you're probably going to say to yourself, I don't need to learn how to do that. But you do. The saying slow as molasses, this is where it comes from. The reason we are working with molasses is we have a ginger molasses sandwich cookie. Do we have any?
Yes, can we bring them in for a hot second? They are in
Guest
our
appearance.
weekly meal plan. These are the weekend bonus. This is,
Yes,
could not
and
be a better weekend
This is like
bonus.
my childhood, okay? So this is my grandma's molasses cookie recipe, but it has a fresh ginger and orange cream cheese filling. So no better way to prove a point than some friendly competition. So we're gonna have a little race. So there's a 1/4 cup of molasses in this recipe. Jake's is in his cup, unadulterated, just a cup. I am gonna spray mine with just like some nonstick spray. I never have this at home because I am never very well organized. So if you have like canola oil or coconut oil, any neutral oil you can use. I am going to measure mine out. Okay, so are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, we're gonna race. On your mark, get set, go. I win.
Oh wow. That's like not even like, and look, there's still so much more, and then you gotta stick your finger in, and then it's like
okay,
sticky.
so show me your measuring
All right,
cup.
I'm like still scooping
Look
stuff
it!
out.
Look it.
That's pretty.
Winner.
That's pretty dramatic.
Yeah. So whenever you're measuring, like Jake said, honey, maple syrup, golden syrup, use this trick. It's gonna save you some time. You're gonna get every last drop off, and you're not gonna have to deal with this in the sink. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to make these
the cookies.
They're so good.